Team, welcome back to the $1,000 challenge, and I'm going to walk you through the trades that I took this week and my plans for the upcoming week, and we're just going to go through a breakdown like that. So as you can see, overall throughout the 1 month so far we've been on it. You can kind of see that we're up, or I guess we're down. Let's see, the 3 months we've been on it. So I guess since here, 1,000, we are up about 2.95%. Or $29.51. Again, I expect it to be positive ending the week around the $53 level. But again, let's break down the trade that I have. So again, I do have SPY options expiring this week, and we'll kind of walk through that here. So again, the trade that I took on Monday were SPY options, and you can see here that it's reached a high of 22 cents. I sold it at 7 cents. So that's kind of where this is coming from, this huge tick, which is showing a negative, down move in my overall portfolio. But again, if we're looking here, my prices is 414.93, or basically 415, which basically means that SPY has to get below 415 by Friday in order for it to in order for me to be in the negative. If it stays above 414, even if it's 415.01 and 1 cent by Friday, then I still get to keep all the money I made, which was $28. And so I was at roughly $1,050, and so that would put me up to $1,080. But again, so that's what we're going to be expecting here. Again, this is more of the options volume, but if I break into SPY here for a second, we go out to the 1 minute. Let's expand this and kind of do a little breakdown of this. So if I come here to like the weekly chart, we can see what's going on. Let's go actually monthly. Let's change this to candlesticks. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a very strong level at 420. 420 is a very strong support level. You can see here how it came down and it tested this level, and it proved that it was very strong. Not only that, we have a lot of support coming in at 418, 419 in this level right here, and we also have another super strong level at 417. So we have a lot of support moving in here. We are in a long-term uptrend, so dipping down to this range and picking up is quite normal, or at least holding this range for the next 2 days, Thursday and Friday, is totally understandable. So that's why I have my covered calls placed here. My credit spreads placed here at 415. So again, getting down to 415 would be quite of a large down move. So if that does happen, I'd be totally okay with that, because that would be out of the ordinary, especially for SPY. So again, I should be fine on these that I placed on Monday. And so again, I have 8 contracts of that. And so that's what I'm looking to make money on, about $28 or 2.8% on that move right there. And so again, that's what we're really doing. We're sticking to SPY credit spreads right now. And so yeah, I haven't really placed any other trades. I've been wanting to get in gold, but gold has had a bit of a down strike. You can see here, I kind of noticed that down strike on Monday, how it kind of looked like it was headed lower. In hindsight, should have bought some call credit spreads, which would have made money to the downside. I should have done that. But again, I'll know for next time. If I think it's going to go down, let's play some call credit spreads. And so yeah, so that's what we're looking at on gold. I didn't get in that because I saw it going down, and SPY were about neutral. So again, guys, the strategy that we're implementing here is called a covered call strategy. Sorry. It's a credit spread strategy. It's a put credit spread. So let me kind of break in and explain how it works. So we come in here and we find a level that we think the stock price or the ETF won't get below. And so for instance, my level for Monday was 415. And so what it is, I came in here at 415 and I sold this put, the 415 put. And then at the same time, I bought the 414. And what this does is it gives me a limited risk. So that's the way it's easy. I have a limited risk, but I also have a limited reward. And so my reward is the amount of money that I make when I initially sell it. So I sold it for $7, which means they gave me $7 for every contract I bought when I did this. And so again, they gave me, since I did 4 contracts, they gave me $28 to put on this position. And so that's how I make my money. As long as it stays above 415, I get to keep the whole $28. Now, how the reverse works, for instance, if I was going to go on gold and I was going to do that call credit spread, it would have been reversed. So what I mean by that is around Monday, where was Monday? Wednesday. Oh, it's going by the months. Okay, never mind. So if I was to place it, basically what would happen is instead of going down, because a put credit spread, which is what we're doing, makes money to the upside, so you go below it and you want it to go higher or stay roughly neutral to make money. The call credit spread, you put it a bit above and you want it to stay neutral or go down to make money. And so what you would have done is around this 174.50 level, or around the 175 level, what you would have done is you would have sold the call here and then bought the next call up, and that's how you would have set up the call credit spread. So credit spreads are a great way to play swing trade strategies, but give you a higher chance of profit. The reason why you have a higher chance of profit, especially as you can see on SPY, is you have a larger margin to be wrong. So for instance, on a swing trade, you buy and you set your stop loss at 1 to 2%. Well, with this, I got in on Monday and I was able to get my stop, or if we want to call that a stop, all the way down to 415, which is a huge percentage down move. And I would definitely not be able to do that on a normal swing trade. And so credit spreads are a great way to make money, especially in trending markets and on trending stocks, which is what SPY is. We've had a 100% success rate on SPY put credit spreads so far, and so I don't doubt that we'll continue to do well with that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching the $1,000 challenge. Again, check in next Wednesday when we do a recap. If you want to see the trades that I place live and when I place them, you can click the first link below for your 14-day free trial of the Impeccable Stock software. And there we have a software that lays out the exact credit spreads you should be taking on every single stock if you want to take specific credit spreads. And it also gives you alerts to the stock trades that I am taking in real time. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for Monday for our covered call positions, Wednesday for the $1,000 challenge, and Friday for our educational videos. All right, guys, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.